This is a pure original battery with an efficiency of less than 100%. And a maximum capacity of only 77%. An original Apple phone with iOS version 18.0. Connect your phone to your computer and start the computer software to back up data. Back up your data first, click Backup, Restore. Click on the backup option. Select a storage path and click OK. Click Start Backup. Select OK. After the backup is complete, replace the new battery and connect the mobile phone data cable. Click Smart Flash. Click One-Click Flash. Select 18.0 firmware, click on the regular Quick Flash. Check repair battery health during flash. Click Flash. When the progress reaches 34%, it will show that the battery health is being repaired, and then exit the computer software. Unplug the phone data cable. Click Volume Plus, click Volume, long press the power button. Wait until the screen turns off and the Apple logo reappears, then release the power button. Plug in the data cable and open the computer software. Click to go to the flash page. Click One-Click Flash, select 18.0 firmware, and click Regular Fast Flash. Uncheck Repair Battery Health. Click on Flash. Click OK. After the phone enters the interface, click the activation button. Click to start. Click OK. Click Settings to view your phone's battery health. Has been shown to be 100% efficient. Check that the iOS version number is 18.0. To restore data on your phone, click Backup, Restore. Click on the Full Recovery option. Click Restore All Data. Click Next. Click Start Restore.